Hello, this is Florian from cumbersome, and I would like to introduce you to Coccon. Coccon comes when it is installed as a plugin for advanced steel, currently available for 2021, and we were of course working on other versions as well. And what it does is it helps you to convert unknown solids, so geometry which has no parametric information, no parametric data, which maybe was modeled using solid history, solid modeling, which comes from other modeler, Inventor, NX, Catia, Bentley products, you name it, and is available in 3D. And we want to BIMify this version. We want to turn this into a proper advanced steel section. We have, of course, the option now to trace it, to work out maybe via area and others what section it is, but it would take a little bit of a time. So especially when we have here now an example structure and we have a couple of sections here selected, in this case 155, even though it takes me maybe 2 minutes per section here, though it is repetitive, it might take an hour or 2 or 3. So having said this, it still would cost me maybe now with a charge out rate of maybe $100, maybe $200, $300 to convert this. And this is where Coccon actually kicks in. So Coccon means it is like a wrap. The wrap is our table which the application uses to decipher, to find the section. It works out the location, it works out the engineering moments of the solid, and then based on these engineering moments it tries to find the best matching sections in a tolerance you can specify for this. So why does this need to happen with a reference table? The reason for this is that when we look into the tables, that advanced steel does not necessarily have all the engineering moments made available to us. So that's actually unfortunately pretty blank by default. So we need to have a reference table. We have prepared this reference table for you, and we actually converted all 114 sections here. You can compose your own reference table with this, and based on this reference tables it helps you to BIMify literally this this geometry. So let's see how this would work. So clicking for instance here in the Coccon, it asks here for the reference table. We can accept it, have a couple of different options available around and about this, and then we can select most of them, accept it, let the computer trace it, work out the engineering moments for us, and then all of a sudden we see that we have literally nearly everything now being parametric sections that it did find. For instance here the 150 by 105 times by 5 RHS. It's parametric, it's an advanced steel section, you can do anything and everything with it. And yeah, well, you can start immediately working. So old models, old drawings, so what you have, they are not lost. And so you also saw here that it saves a lot of time, and so it just saved me now here $300, what we would charge for a year's license. And so you see that it is super simple and easy actually to use. So this is what Coccon is. So where does this name Coccon actually come from? Just think of this, that a solid is like a very, let me say, a geometry in early stages, like a geometry we have used centuries ago. And so hence it's like a caterpillar before it became a parametric section. So parametric section like a butterfly, where you can literally fly through the design, can perform, do your changes to it, anything and everything parametric. And so hence we call it Coccon, because Coccon turns a caterpillar into a butterfly. So just to mention, if somebody asks where does actually this funny name come from, well, it's like a solid converter of unknown solids to advanced CS sections. Thanks for watching.